In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import and export Watchlist on Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save your current symbols as a backup or shareable file, and how to bring a prepared list into Tradingview in just a few clicks. Let's start with exporting. Look to the right side of your Tradingview screen for the Watchlist panel. If you don't see it, tap the Watchlist icon on the right toolbar to reveal it. At the top of that panel, click the name of your current watchlist to open its drop-down menu. From there, choose Export List. Tradingview will immediately download a CSV file to your computer. A CSV or comma-separated values file is a simple text-based spreadsheet format. You can open it with Excel, Google Sheets, or even a basic text editor to view your tickers. Keep the .csv extension intact, so it stays readable. This file is perfect for backups, moving your setup to another device, or sharing a clean portable list with a teammate. For good organization, consider renaming the file with a date or short description so you can quickly identify it later. And store it in a reliable folder or cloud drive so you always have a safe copy. Now importing a watchlist is just as straightforward. First, make sure your file is formatted correctly. It should list symbols, either one per line in a plain text file, or separated by commas in a CSV. Keep the symbols clean and consistent. If a market requires an exchange prefix, include it the same way you would search for it in Tradingview. You don't need extra columns or notes. The simpler the file, the better. Save it as a .txt or .csv, so Tradingview can read it without issues. When your file is ready, return to the right side watchlist panel and click the watchlist name at the top to open the menu again. Choose Import List. In the file picker that appears, select your prepared text or CSV file. Tradingview will process it and populate your watchlist with the symbols from that file. If you want to preserve your current list before bringing in a new one, export it first so you can switch back or merge later as needed. That's it. To recap, export to quickly save or share your symbols, and import to load a clean list in seconds. With these two workflows, it's easy to back up your watch lists, move between devices, and keep your trading workspace organized.